welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another exciting video today, and I think you have already guessed the video and the product also. And today I'm reviewing another newly launched product from the brand Attitude, and this is the product, and this is the Attitude Blusher Duo. This is from the brand Amway, as I had earlier reviewed the eyeshadow palette from the same brand. If you guys have not yet watched, I'll put the link in the description box below. Please guys check it out and subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. So this is what the product looks like. This is the Attitude Blusher Duo written on the top of the box. It has come in an outer packet like this, which is exactly the same like inner packet. Back sides of both the packets have all the details. Here is written it retails for 499 rupees. It opens like this. So this is the blusher. It has a full size mirror here, and these are the shades. It has two shades, one is barely pink and another one is pink whisper. It has a tiny little brush also, which is so cute. We can use this also. The two shades are very creamy. One is very light, perfect for daytime use, and another one is purely pink. These are the shades. This is very creamy. Creamy blushers and eyeshadows are always long lasting, so I like them a lot. It's very soft. The box itself is very cute, very travel friendly and pocket friendly also. It comes in a single variant only. You can get this product from the Amway website, or you can get it from the Amway retailer, where you can get good discount also. People used to think that Amway products are always very costly, but nowadays it's not, as I have reviewed a lot of products from Amway which are very pocket friendly. So this is the detailed review of this blusher duo. If I have left something else, then you can ask me in the comment box below. I'll definitely reply you. So this is all about the Attitude Blusher Duo, which is newly launched in the market. I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, bye.